Hey guys, I was finally able to get my audio issue worked out, so I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how to spoof MAC addresses in Kali Linux. There's a couple different ways that you can go about spoofing MAC addresses, and overall it's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is open up a terminal, and the first command that I am going to do is iw-config, and this allows you to set and change parameters of a wireless card. As you can see, I have my wireless adapter on. This would be if I was connected via Ethernet, but I'm using my wireless, so that is what we have right here. And this is the device that I'm going to be spoofing the MAC address. So the next command that I'm going to run is if-config, and this is where it will actually show the actual MAC address for the wireless adapter for all of them. Right here, the hardware address is obviously the same thing as the MAC address. So I am going to run if-config, and then I'm going to copy this, paste, and I'm going to shut it down. And then to change the MAC address, I'm going to run the command MAC changer. The manual for MAC changer is MAC changer, and right here obviously you can go through and see everything about MAC changer. So I'm going to run the command MAC changer, and then copy this, and then -R. The -R in this command is used to generate a random MAC address. So if I wanted a random MAC address, then I would do that, and you could see this is the current MAC address, permanent, and then here is the new random MAC address that it generated. Now if I want to give it a specific MAC address, like for instance 00:1 alpha 2 Bravo 3 Charlie 4 Delta 5 Echo, then you can see that exactly what I told it to put the MAC address as is exactly what it gave the new MAC address. So as you can see, the third value for the -M and the third value for the -R, which was the random, is the spoofed MAC address. The next command that I am going to run is airmon ng, which is used to enable monitor mode on wireless interfaces, and it can also be used to go back from monitor mode to manage mode. So I'm going to run the command airmon ng, and then my wireless adapter. Oh, I forgot. I have to tell it to start. And then, so when we put the network card into monitor mode, it's going to create a virtual interface called let me open this one in the WLAN 0 mon, and we're going to want to change this MAC address also, because if we don't change that MAC address, what will happen is our real MAC address will be leaked through the virtual interface, and we obviously don't want that to happen because it'll show up in logs. So the way that we change this MAC address is by taking it offline. So we're going to run the command if config, and then we're going to shut it down. Config, what did I do here? Something isn't, it might be, I might have copied the wrong one. Having issues with this earlier. Okay, so there we go. So this is the other one that we also wanted to turn down, because this one was our original interface. And then after we've turned it down, we are going to want to run the MAC changer command again. I'm just going to do random. And then we're going to copy this interface. And then as you can see, here is the new spoofed MAC address. And if we want to take this back up, we just do this command and change down to up, and it is back up. So as you can see, it's really simple to change or spoof, the MAC addresses on different things. So I look forward to getting more in depth with MAC spoofing, and I'm not sure if we're gonna purchase interface cards or how we're gonna do this, or what we're wanting to do with MAC spoofing, but it's pretty simple.